So if you can't tell, I have lost my voice, but I wanted to make this video because obviously this is about Triumph and they have announced their team. So I'm going to try and get through this. And it kind of sucks because this is the new team coming out, the, you know, big news of the off season, and you have both Jalek Swoll and Evan Ferry running the East. Evan Ferry making his pro debut this year, and obviously Swoll moving over from Rockstar. But it kind of sucks because this is the team that everybody wanted or the news about. Where coming in, new bike and everything, and hey, we're not nobody's even running the West. You've got two people running the East, and then you have the whole Joey Savacci thing problem where I'll leave a little card up in the right hand corner if you want to watch that video about that thing. But it sucks. And I am gonna say this. If you if you want to make fun of me for my voice, go right ahead. Go down in the comments and do it because I know it sounds ridiculous, but I just want to make this video while it's still relevant and new. But it sucks. Here's this new team, new bike, new everything, and they come out and say, we're not racing the West. We only have two people on the East and then a three-person team for the pro motocross, which it sucks. But it's also kind of funny when you look at these pictures, they have no sponsor, you know, I don't know what Renin is, that whatever, but no main sponsor. The forks look factory or stock, whatever you want to call it. No skid plates. It's like, was this super rush? Do they not have parts? Do they not have everything set up for this? Who knows? But it's exciting to see a new team and to see what these guys do. Here, man, I sound ridiculous, but I hope they do well, and I hope to see this team actually succeed and grow and have another factory team in it. But I don't know. And comment down below whatever you want. How you think they're gonna do, whatever. I'm done. I can't talk anymore. But comment down below. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really does help me out and I appreciate it. And I'll see y'all later. Peace.